video, I'm going to be giving you Christmas gift ideas, but under $50. Affordable Christmas gift ideas for the baddies on a budget. This is literally the second time I'm refilming this video because I struggled so much with my SD card. Something was going on, child. Before we get into the video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, hype this video if you have that feature, like, do all the good stuff, and let's get straight into it. So the first thing I have is this Summer Fridays lip balm. Guys, as a collective, I think we're tired of hearing about this from me, but I genuinely love that lip balm so much. It's literally one of my favorite lippies ever. It is a bit more on the pricey side for obviously a lip balm, but I think it's so worth it and it's so good. A basket. Okay, so this is basically like a basket. Okay, it's basically like just a basket of like loads of different stuff. So you could put like snacks, you could put like self-care stuff, self-care products, makeup, anything basically like that you think the person would like. This has the potential to be like a very affordable gift idea depending on what you put inside, obviously, but you could literally put like snacks, very cheap self-care products, and like make them a cute little basket of like stuff that they would need. I think that's a very cute idea. Lego sets, like Lego actually has some really cute sets. Stuffed animal, I think anyone would appreciate this, but not just any stuffed animal, baby. We don't do that. We don't do mediocre, okay? Hug sent me their Lola bunny a few months ago now, and I actually am in love with her. Like, everyone in my life is in love with her, including me. Like, she lives on my bed, okay? But the thing that I love about this is that she's not only cutesy little teddy bear, but she is literally useful. Like, as in when I'm having my period cramps, when I'm just feeling cold, you can literally pop in the microwave, guys. How crazy is that? Like, it's actually quite insane. She's so warm right now. I just put her in the microwave to show you guys, and she is literally warm. So she literally can be in there, but then when you take her out, like, she's just gonna get warmer like over time. Like, it's so cool. She's ready. Oh my god, she's literally warm. Oh, she's so warm. Then you can also put her in the freezer. The fact that you can literally like kind of like customize her temperature is so amazing, especially for the girlies. I always have to have a hot water bottle with me, like whenever I'm on my period, and like this is so useful because number one, it lasts longer, and she's just like so much more cuddly and cuter. Like, it's a perfect gift for any like girl in your life that's like having to go through life. I feel like she is amazing. And she would be a great addition to like just like your bed decor because she looks cute, obviously. And literally she came with like a birth certificate and everything. Like, her actual name is Coco, so that's what I've decided to name her. But obviously I got Coco in the Lola the bunny like style, but they have so many more options, as in like cuter stuff like cows, tortoise, like anything. So if you've been looking for the perfect gift to add to your wish list or get for someone else in your life, this is literally her, okay? This is it. So I'll leave links down below to Hugs website so you can go check them out. Thank you to Hugs for sponsoring today's video, and let's get into it. Bye. The Ola water bottle, I've also mentioned this quite a few times in my recent gift ideas, but it's generally because it's such a cute bottle and it's quite affordable. Because I expected it to be like Stanley Cup prices, but I think it's a bit more affordable. Scrapbook. I actually did this for one of my friends. I think it was last year for her birthday. No, it was this year. What was one? But I made like a scrapbook of like all like our memories, and like it's such a cute gift and it's so well thought out. It takes a while. You could literally get the scrapbook from Amazon for like what? How much? I don't know, but it's very cheap. And then you just like print out photos and make a cute little scrapbook. Fuzzy socks. Okay, it's getting cold. It's getting cold outside, okay? I feel like anyone would appreciate these. I know I would. Books, if you know someone who is a book lover or who is a reader, or if you're a reader, adding books to your wish list or asking for books is a very affordable gift. Personalized makeup bag, you know, like the ones with like either like your name on it or like your initial. I think that's so cute, especially if it's someone who like travels a lot, like just like any girl really, to like keep your little emergency kid stuff in. But like a very cute bag would be tea. Road pocket blush, guys. I was literally this close to buying this like a few days ago because The real ones know I've wanted this so bad, or like any Rode product. I just want to try Rode so bad. I've wanted to do it for the longest time, but I haven't gotten to doing that yet. And the next thing is a cute phone case, just any cute phone case, Wildflower, Casetify, any cute phone case really. Amazon has some cute ones too. Matcha kits. Okay, I've also added this quite a few times to my gift ideas, but it's generally because I want this and I think it would be such a good gift to get someone so they can make their own matcha at home. The disposable camera, I think these are so cute. Obviously it's not like a digital camera, but like a disposable camera, like the photos always come out so cute, and you can get like the film like developed and stuff. Slippers. Okay, once again it's getting cold. Slippers are a good gift to get someone just to laze around the house in. Okay, just to chill, but like fuzzy, warm, like Ugg dupe sort of slippers that you can get on Amazon as well. I'll link my Amazon storefront down below, so if you want to check that out for any gifts, I would recommend doing that too. Heatless curl kit. I think this is so cute, and I think anyone would appreciate this gift, like for real. I really want this, like, but I just need to get myself in. Pocket mirror, like it's just a cute little pocket mirror because we're just girls. Like Lush set. Okay, Lush gift sets are genuinely one of the best things that you could give someone, because I got a Lush gift set a few years ago and it was like the Snow Fairy gift set, and Lush gift sets are quite affordable, but like for what you get, like it's a lot. Or like the cute scents, like Snow Fairy is a really good scent. I've tried it. I know there's Sticky Dates, there's Let the Good Times Roll, like those good Lush. And then the next thing is a heated blanket. What? Guys, my mom literally has one, and I kid you not, it's going to be one of your best investments. Like an Octo Buddy, like for behind your phone, like, you know, like if you like want to stick your phones or something, especially for anyone who wants to do like content creation and stuff like that. I actually really want this because I'm getting in my TikTok bag, but like I have like a phone tripod, but like I also want something that I can like just like, you know, it's very useful because then you can film from pretty much anywhere. It gives you hair oil, dry brush, so like for you to like dry brush your skin like before the shower, for like your everything shower routine. Medicube skincare sets, they also have really good like mini gift sets for you to try out your products, and Medicube is genuinely one of the best skincare brands that I've tried. Products are so gentle and so like rich, like your skin feels fed after you use Medicube products, like genuinely. Those cute little jewelry boxes, but like with your initial on it. I think these are so cute, especially once again for someone who travels, or you can just like display them in your room, which is really cute. I've always said that I always lose my jewelry, and I keep saying this to myself, but I never get it. So that would be an amazing gift to get. Like cute little bed sheets, you know, like I know Urban Outfitters has really cute bed sheets, like the cinched, runched bed sheets. They're so expensive though, not gonna lie. That's like a gift that no one would think of, but I think it's very useful. Power bank, guys, I'm telling you. Or if you like know someone who like their phone is always on low battery, then you should definitely get them this. Any sort of like experience, so like get them cinema tickets, get like concert tickets, or book them like a massage, you know, appointment, like some sort of like facial, anything cute like that. Like an experience is such a good gift because you remember it. You know, you can find pretty cheap like experiences, but I think they're a very cute little gift. And that is it for my gift ideas, my affordable gift ideas. I hope you guys took something from this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.